Okay, I hope this thing is rolling because we have an interesting sight here. BatCat is climbing this window. Let's see if I can get a better...
Don't fall. Oh, hi, Kitty. Ah, she's gonna jump on my head. I can just feel it. Here we go. Ah! Ah!
There's Dan. Oh, man. Hey. Hey, Velcro. Velcro. Pretty cat. She's stuck up, though.
Running the personal computer, electrician, legal assistant, veterinary assistant, interior decorating, medical dental office, sun repair, secretary.
She's not going to. Oh.
Included in your course at no extra cost. They make it easy and fun to train for that.
Attack Kitty.
Go to those courses again. So call today for free information.
She's looking right at the camera. Velcro and Bat. Bat's like pop.
I'll make the sound of cats.
Cute cat.
This cat's name is Shelby. We call her Rent-A-Cat because she has owners that are up the street, and
She begs
likes
up.
to come over to here and there and everywhere.
Let me get a close up. Okay, B, look at this cat. This cat like... Wow, the cat jumped. Doesn't that cat look like B? The face does. Anyway. Yeah, we are now.
Oh, hello. My name is BatCatty. I'm a girl, but I talk like Dan. Simply because
Velcro.
Dan can't do a girl's voice.
Watch this.
Meow.
They look so cute when they meow and you can't hear them.
It's like they're yawning.
I know.
Like this.
Best furry friend anyone could ever have. Velcro K. Martin.
VelcroKitty.
Yeah. See if we can hear her.
There's the mic.
Right at the end. Ready?
There we go.
Say something. It's like everybody's going, what a rotten picture of a big furry cat. All blurry.
Say something. Okay, there we go.
Here we go. Now we can back away so that you can see her.
Everybody's gonna say, what the heck?
She looks pretty against the grass. She's got a nice green collar.
Yeah, unfortunately through this monitor it's black and white, so I...
I've taken pictures of her in black and white before.
Whee! Look,
And
up
then
in the
Dan's...
sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a Velcro cat.
Oh, gee. Okay.
And she's really cute.
I know I sound so stupid with all these sound effects like...
Because you're leaning over. And
Yeah, we're gonna watch him do a...
WDBI 107.3 FM, I Want You to Want Me. Mercy, Mercy Me, that is Robert Palmer with a medley of Marvin Gaye classics. WDBI brings you The Lost Lemon Tapes. It's a look back in time through interviews and music. The Lost Lemon Tapes every Sunday beginning at 7 a.m. only on 107.3 FM. Here's Radio Star and WDBI.